Verbal reasoning session day 9. In this video lecture, we will discuss rest of the topic related to sentence completion, that are comparison and contrast. In comparison type of sentence completion, words are likewise, similarly, and just as shown, as illustrated by. These are also known as similarity words. As in this type of sentence, first part of the sentence expresses the idea, while the second part of the sentence gives its explanation, that is, elaborating the idea with an example. Amna was cleared of all charges. Similarly, Hina was dash. Now, the first sentence, Amna was cleared of all charges, is giving the idea that she is cleared of all charges. Similarly, word is from the comparison. Hina was. She is also clear of all charges. So the word that best suited here is vindicated. That Hina is also vindicated. It means she is also clear of all charges. Next example is his neighbors found him dash manner bossy and irritating, and they stopped inviting to backyard barbecue. The options are insentient, that means lifeless; magisterial, reparatory, that means rescuing or repairing; restorative, that means remedial; modest, that means humble. So the best suited word here is magisterial, as it has similar meanings with bossy and irritating. The first part of the sentence is giving the idea that he is very bossy and irritating and having magisterial manner. That's why they are stopped inviting him to barbecue. Next is city council representative promised that he would consider all suggestions from downtown residents and that he was willing not only to discuss his proposals but also to dash it, as it's not going only to discuss the proposal but also to change it. So option A is the correct option. Final type of sentence completion could be like contrast, which includes words like though, although, however, despite, but, yet, on the other hand, while, instead of, still, despite, or on the contrary. In this type of sentence, one part of the sentence actually expresses an idea that is quite opposite to the idea of the other part of the sentence. Although the tiger is a solitary beast, solitary means lonely, its cousin the lion is a dash animal. So in the answer there must be something that is quite opposite of the word solitary. Solitary means lonely, and here the word could be sociable. Next question is Zahid looks a noble person but he always become dash any good deeds. Supporter of, obstacle for, swift to do, promoter for. As it looks like a noble person but not actually person, and another word but is also used here, that is contrast between the first part of the sentence with the other part. So the option B is the correct option, that he always becomes obstacle for, hurdle in the path of good deeds. So option B is the correct option. Next question is most candidates spend dash they can raise on their campaigns but other wind up on elections day with a dash. So here you are using the word but. So the words in two blanks must be opposite to each other. They spend everything but they wind up on election day with a surplus, mean having nothing. So option C is the correct option. Now we will discuss mixed examples related to logical understanding of the sentence as well as all the four types of the sentence completion. Shakespeare, a dash writer, entertained audience by writing many tragic, that means sad, and comic, that means funny, plays. So what kind of writer he is? Numeric, obstinate, that means stubborn. It's quite negative word, so it could not be used here. Dutiful, that means loyal. Prolific, that means abundantly creative. Generic, that means common. So the best suitable option is option D, that is Shakespeare is a prolific writer. Next question is Philip's dash tone endeared him to his comical friends but irritated his serious father. Aloof means not friendly, jesting means joking, grave, earnest means serious, and conservative. So as his father is being irritated by Philip, so the option B must be correct, that Philip's joking tone endeared him to his comical friends but irritated his father because he was serious. Next question is Mary became dash at typing because she practiced every day for 6 months. This is an cause and effect sentence completion, as she practiced every day. Here is the effect. So she became very proficient at typing. So option A is the correct option. Dormant means sluggish. It's quite negative, could not be best fit here. Redundant, useless, these two are negative words. You can simply eliminate these two choices. Valiant means brave, so there is nothing to do with the bravery. Best suitable option is option A. Next question is Jackson's poor typing skills were a dash to finding employment at the nearby office complex. As the Jackson was having poor typing skills, so the best suitable option is hindrance, that means hurdle. So he was having poor typing skills. That's why there were a hindrance or hurdle to finding employment. Question number 5 is, we need experiment to discover whether the system that we have designed that work in the theory also work in a dash, in other words, in the real world. In the other word is the indicated word of restatement. You can check my previous video. So here you are restating the statement. The system is designed to work in theory as well as with the reality. So the best suitable option is option B. Next question is, the unique word of the film is dash, both wholly recognizable and unfamiliar. Recognizable and unfamiliar both are opposite words. The unique word of the film is contradictory, both wholly recognizable and unfamiliar. That is the best suitable option. Question number 7. The graph clearly showed the company reaching the dash in profit during the 1980s when the economy was in a boom period. It means that it was having at highest point. So the best suitable option here is vertex, that means approaching at peak. Next question is, the dash of our expedition was still so far away that I felt we would never get there. So here is the terminus of our expedition or our journey was still so far. That's why I felt that we would never get there. So the option B is the correct option.